Hello everyone. Welcome to Go Up Social, the social media dashboard YouTube channel. Are you looking for an easy and effective way to increase your social media followers? Then goupsocial.com is the right place for you. With our simple and secure process, you can grow your Instagram account in just a few clicks. Now, let me explain how you can buy Instagram follower services. Here are the steps you need to follow. To get started, visit the website goupsocial.com. When you enter the site, you will see the login page. If you are not registered, become a member by clicking the register button. It is important that you enter your information correctly at this stage, as this will allow us to communicate with you more efficiently in case of any problems with the order. After completing the registration process, we will move on to creating an order from the order page. However, you must first add balance to your account by clicking on the Add Funds section in the side menu. Once the balance is added, click on the New Order button. In this section, you must select the category you want to order. In our case, we will select the Instagram followers category. Now that we have determined our category, we can choose the service we want to use. It is important to read the description of the service you choose carefully. In the description, you will find information about how the service works and how long it will take to complete. Let's continue creating our order. Then, enter your profile link or username correctly in the link section. After entering the correct username, enter the amount of followers you want to get in the lower section. For example, I am adding 1,000 followers for testing purposes. Finally, click the Submit button to place your order. Now, let's check our Instagram account together. Yes, friends, our order was completed in 2 minutes. If I look at the users following the service, and yes, the list of real users. Really fast and quality service.